Coordinates locked. 72 north, 31 east. Altitude 450 clicks.
Acknowledged. Zooming to max magnification on the thermal anomaly.
Move out, quickly!
Secure the perimeter.
Watch the radar!
All right, team, secure the perimeter. Check communications, ensure we have a link back to base. Let's get the sensor array deployed now. Move. Readings are low. Wait, the signal. It's massive. Something is coming. I don't believe it. This can't be real.
What is this thing?
Keep scraping. It's coming through. See the curve? What? It's undeniable. The Object 279. Frozen Titan confirmed. Keep tightening that, Vasha. Yes, Ivan. Almost there. Looks secure. Let's move it out. Cable secure on the port side. Starboard cable clear. Check your rigging. Tension increasing. Ready for the lift. Hold fast. Secure the forward line. Pull, comrades, together. Move it slowly. Watch the tracks. Maintain tension on the rear ropes. We're almost there. Roger. Doors are opening. Wind's picking up.
Check the curve at section 3.
Looks good. I'll mark this Charlie-2.
Confirmed.
See this measurement here? It's supposed to be exactly 2 inches.
But this part is showing significant wear.
We need to restore it precisely to these specifications.
This section here is critical for the suspension. We need specialized equipment.
I will coordinate the heavy lift for Tuesday.
Look at the schematics for the turret ring. That's where the stress fractures were. I've marked the areas for reinforcement here.
Watch your side. Almost there. Okay, set it down.
Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, steady, steady. We need the torque wrench over here now. Bring it forward. Watch the side, keep going. The stress on the forward torsion bars is excessive. We need to check the alignment on the third road wheel immediately.
Inclinometer reading is stable at 3.5 degrees.
Noted. Check the rear alignment.
The pressure on the auxiliary line is too high. We need to tighten this connection.
Got it. The diagnostics confirm the fluctuation.